Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the elastic potential energy of a string. So if we consider a string or a wire fixed at the support, if F is the deforming force applied on it, you know that the particles will start developing the restoring forces. But it will take some time. So the restoring forces develop from 0 to F, that is maximum value in some time. So average restoring force will be 0 plus F upon 2, that is F upon 2. And what is elastic potential energy of a string? So this is the work done in extending a wire against restoring forces is stored as elastic potential energy of the string. So what will be the formula for work? Work is force into displacement. So this work is done against the restoring forces in extending it. So this average force acting into displacement is delta L. I have to draw this displacement here. If this is delta L, which is the extension, and this L is here. And area of cross section I can mention here. So if I multiply this is stored as potential energy. So if I multiply this and divide this by AL, so I can write here say by multiplying and dividing RHS by AL. So what will I get? U is equal to, this can be clubbed together, F and A, and delta L and L can be clubbed together. So this can be written half F upon A is what? Stress. Strain is what? Delta L upon L. So this is strain. And AL can be written as volume, because you know if you have a cylinder like this, so area of base is pi r square and h is the height. So area of base into height gives you the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is what? Pi r square h. And this is applicable in cube also, cuboid also. So if area of cross section multiplied by height, this gives the volume. So if we talk about U upon volume, that means potential energy per unit volume. This can be called as energy density of wire, and this can be written as half stress into strain. This is one form. So another form can be written as energy density is equal to half stress into strain. I can multiply this by strain and divide this by strain to get another form. This stress and strain can be clubbed together to write Young's modulus for longitudinal wire here. So this is another form of energy density formula. So this was all about the elastic potential energy of a string. So that's all for now. Have a nice day.